Namaskar friends, welcome again for another interesting video tutorial from Sripala Solutions. In this video tutorial, I am going to show the working of Bulk Documents Rapid Signer. This Bulk Documents Rapid Signer application will automate the function of digitally signing the document. Irrespective of the number of documents in any folder, what we call is original folder or source folder, the application will digitally sign each file on each page. So let's start the demonstration. I am using my digital signature for the purpose of demonstration. So this is the place where I have placed all my original documents, and once digitally signing the documents, all these digitally signed documents will be placed at this place. Now, I'll just go and click on Apply Digital Signature. You can see that the application has started signing each file. In few seconds, it will complete signing. You can see it has completed, and let's go and check one by one randomly. So this is the first file. I am checking whether it has done. So you can see here it has placed the digital signature and it says it is valid. This is the first page. This is the second page, third page. So similarly, it will place the digital signature at the specific location on each page. So this was the first folder. I'll open any other folder. You can see here it has placed the digital signature here. Now the appearance of this can be customized. It can appear either on the right bottom, right center, or left bottom, anywhere you want. This can be customized as per the requirement of the client. Thanks for watching this wonderful video. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact me back. Thanks and happy nice day.